Imagine waking up one morning, slipping on a pair of glasses, and watching your entire world transform. The moment you put them on, your surroundings come alive. Messages drift before your eyes. Movies play in mid-air, and maps float across your field of vision as if the universe itself has become interactive. You are no longer staring at a screen, you are inside one. Welcome to the dawn of 2025, where the boundary between reality and technology dissolves, and smart glasses have become the new frontier of human experience. What once felt like a far-off sci-fi fantasy has quietly evolved into an everyday miracle that fits right on your face. In this age of wearable intelligence, smart glasses are no longer toys for tech enthusiasts. They are companions, assistants, and storytellers of our daily lives. They allow you to watch, work, connect, and create without ever pulling a device from your pocket. From immersive displays brighter than daylight to AI lenses that remember the details you forget, these devices have become the bridge between the digital and the physical. They're not just changing how we see technology, they're changing how we see the world. So today, we journey through 7 extraordinary creations that have redefined what it means to be connected. 7 innovations so breathtaking, they might make you wonder if phones, monitors, and even laptops are becoming obsolete. The story begins with the Mad Gaze Glow, a name that already sounds like something out of the future. The Glow isn't just eyewear. It's a personal escape device that lets you step through an invisible portal into digital reality. Slip them on, and the transformation is instant. Your living room morphs into a theater, your desk into a workspace, your commute into a private arcade. The 53-degree field of view wraps around your vision like a cinematic panorama, presenting lifelike images that seem to hover in space. There's no complicated setup, no software maze, just plug, play, and drift away. They weigh almost nothing, and their sleek, minimalist design feels like luxury eyewear rather than high-end hardware. The Mad Gaze Glow isn't trying to be a gadget. It is trying to be invisible, a portal that disappears so the experience can take center stage. Everywhere you go, you're carrying a big screen that no one else can see. Reality, now portable. Then comes the Air 3 South Pro, a masterpiece of brightness and clarity that shatters expectations. If light were sound, these glasses would be an orchestra. Pushing 1200 nits of brightness, the Air 3 South Pro paints your world with the brilliance of HuView 2.0 micro-OLED technology. Every color vibrates with life, every detail glows with precision, creating contrast so deep you can almost feel it. With a 200,000:1 contrast ratio and cinematic-grade color accuracy, you're not just seeing images, you're watching reality itself get upgraded. It projects a floating IMAX-sized screen right before your eyes, while quad-speaker spatial audio surrounds you in 3D sound. Whisper mode privacy lets you drift into your own world without disturbing the one around you. Just 76 grams, the Air 3 South Pro feels impossibly light, yet connects to everything: phones, laptops, even gaming consoles. It doesn't demand your attention, it earns it. For Renault, brightness isn't a feature, it's freedom, the ability to take the clarity of a theater and carry it anywhere you go. The revolution intensifies with the Wearable Pro XR, a device that doesn't just improve on its predecessors, it obliterates boundaries. The Pro XR projects a massive 135-inch virtual display that feels more alive than any monitor could ever dream of being. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures every motion glides like silk, while 4,000 nits of brightness carve light out of darkness with breathtaking precision. The edges of the image stay razor-sharp no matter where you look, thanks to advanced anti-glare coating and edge-to-edge clarity. Even fine text appears crisp and readable, like ink printed in the air. For users with myopia, built-in adjustments bring everything into perfect focus. No clunky lenses or add-ons required. And when it's time to disappear from the outside world, an electrochromic layer turns opaque, blocking nearly all external light and sealing you inside a cocoon of immersion. Audio flows through Harman-engined speakers that whisper precision sound directly into your ears, creating privacy without isolation. The Wearable Pro XR is what happens when cinema, design, and engineering merge, a masterpiece you can fold into your pocket. Now imagine taking that cinematic power and turning it into a tool, a productivity engine that works as hard as it entertains. That's where the Roku Max 2 steps in. These glasses are more than a window into digital life. They are digital life, compressed into something lighter than air. Picture running multiple apps side by side in your vision, a browser here, a document there, and a video streaming above it all, your entire workstation floating around you. The Roku Max 2's tri-screen multitasking lets you work, learn, and play simultaneously, seamlessly controlled by eye movement and subtle gestures. With a 1920 x 1200 micro-OLED display running at 120 Hz, visuals stay sharp and fluid no matter how fast you move. You can choose your field of view from reading mode to full theater, or expand into an ultra-wide 32:9 ratio that wraps you in light. Built-in dials let you fine-tune focus up to 600 degrees of myopia, while automatic IPD alignment ensures comfort and clarity for everyone. Yet the real genius comes when the glasses connect to the Roku Station 2, a pocket-sized spatial computer that powers the entire experience. With 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6, and a massive 5000 mAh battery, the station turns these glasses into a mobile office, gaming rig, and theater combined. The Max 2 proves that the future of productivity isn't sitting on a desk, it's sitting on your face. The Roku Station itself deserves its own spotlight. This little device is the brain of the operation, the bridge between imagination and experience. It's the world's first Google-certified Android TV box built specifically for augmented reality. Compact enough to hide in your palm, yet powerful enough to fuel a digital universe. Plug in your Roku glasses and your favorite apps, movies, and games spring to life in stunning resolution. There are no adapters, no confusing setup, just instant seamless access. Its HDCP support ensures that every stream runs securely and flawlessly, while the 5000 mAh battery gives you nearly a week of standby power. And when you crave freedom, wireless casting transforms any wall, park, or sky into a virtual 360-inch cinema. The Roku Station is not just hardware, it's the mind of a new ecosystem, small, smart, and powerful enough to make every surface in the world your personal screen. While Roku focuses on versatility, the Vive Eagle redefines intelligence itself. Featherlight, at only 49 grams. These glasses are built for creators, thinkers, and adventurers who refuse to stay tethered to their phones. The minimalist frame hides powerful open-ear speakers that deliver crisp, spatial audio while keeping you aware of your surroundings. No earbuds, no isolation. But the heart of the Eagle is its AI camera, an assistant that doesn't just see for you, it learns with you.
Ow.
It captures crisp photos and stabilized videos from your exact perspective, automatically leveling horizons for perfect shots. It remembers faces, names, notes, and even where you left your car. And when you remove the glasses, privacy instantly activates. The camera disables itself, ensuring that your world stays yours. The Vive Eagle becomes an extension of memory, a wearable companion that helps you think, create, and live with hands-free precision. It doesn't just enhance your vision, it enhances your awareness.